So today we're going to learn how to make some homemade all-weather fire starters. Everything you see right here could be picked up at Dollar Tree and Walmart. Some cotton balls, some paraffin wax, a tray to make it in, something to melt the wax in, a wick, and something to store it all in. And the last thing we need is something that we all have around our houses, something that we all have probably too much of, especially this time of year: empty toilet paper tubes. Let's get started. I'm going to start by cutting these toilet paper tubes in half. I don't need the full length of them. Now with them cut in half, you can go ahead and set them in this tray, and we're going to start putting our cotton balls in. I was able to get 6 cotton balls in each of those tubes. So now we're going to cut up our wax. Now we're going to water bath these little glass containers full of wax and let them slowly melt. You're going to want to get the water to about 140 degrees. While our wax is melting, we're going to take these toothpicks here, jam them into the middle, put them all in and cut down. That's what they'll look like. Now that these have slowly boiled and most of the wax is liquefied, I'm going to grab it here with my glove. We're just going to pour them in there, fill it up. Get that one started here. A little bit of a chunk fell out. And we'll get some more wax in that one and just fill up the rest of these and let them set. I've got them filled up and just going to let them sit and stiffen up and set. Now that we're all done, you just cut off the remaining wax down there at the bottom and put them in your jar.